Giggles and grapes.
In this video, we will learn everything that comes with the alphabets A to G. A for ants. Ants. This is an ant. A for apple. Apple. This is an apple. B for bear. Bear. This is a bear. B for banana. Banana. This is a banana. C for cat. Cat. This is a cat. C for carrot. Carrot. This is a carrot.
D.
D for dog. Dog. This is a dog. D for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit.
E.
E for elephant. Elephant. This is an elephant. E for eggplant. Eggplant. This is a eggplant.
F.
F for fish. Fish. This is a fish. F for fig. Fig. This is a fig.
G.
G for giraffe. giraffe. This is a giraffe. G for guava.
G,
Guava. This is a guava.
Subscribe, like, don't forget to press the bell icon.